Excuse me. Hey. Hey. You're in the middle of my stuff. Excuse me. Seriously? Hey guys, it's Angela, taking an idea from TikTok, and this is roll for painting. So I created some different suggestions based on different dice, and we're going to see what kind of painting we can come up with. So first up is a D8, which is my pour style, and we rolled a 6, which stands for pouring device. Next up is a D6 for my helper. Next up is a D6 for special effects. And we got number 6, which is glitter. You'll notice that 3 of the options for special effects were none, because a lot of those special effects do not go well with the pour styles that I had. A D12 base color, we ended up with Amsterdam Pearl Blue, which I used that, well, you'll see how I used it. And since we are going to use a pouring device, I decided that we needed probably about 4 colors to make it worthwhile. So first up was number 13, which is Liquitex Pyrrole Red. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. 8, which is Golden Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold, which actually comes out to be like a really poo brown, honestly. Number 9 is Golden Iridescent Bright Gold, which is pretty much a true gold. And number 15, which is Soho Red Ochre. Very, very red colors. And here are the paints. That's that golden that ends up looking very brown. And that's that pearl blue, which looks very white. So, pouring through a pouring device, I bought some items from John Franklin Arts, and I hadn't had a chance to use them, so I decided I'm going to use the heart today. But I figured I'd show you the other objects I bought. I bought this split cup, which that actually should have been on my list too. And then these were some of the other pouring devices that I got. So anyway, I'm gonna pour through this heart. I'm gonna let you watch how this goes. And yeah, let's see how this first roll for painting goes.
Clouds and thunders standing in my way, but I must try to figure it out anyway. Songs of worries travel with the storm, but I must try to figure it out alone. Yeah. must try to figure it out alone. And now, ooh, when you're gone, ooh, I know things won't be the same no more, I'm sure. It'll take a while 'cause I'm still sore, yeah, now. Ooh, when you're gone, ooh, I know I still have a long way to walk, I'm sure. It'll take a while to reach the golden shore. Walls and mountains standing in my way, but I must try to figure it out anyway. Tales of worries travel with the storm, but I must try to figure it out alone. Yeah, I must try to figure it out alone. And now, ooh, when you're gone, ooh, I know things won't be the same no more, I'm sure. It'll take a while 'cause I'm still sore, yeah, now. Ooh, when you're gone, ooh, I know I still have a long way to walk, I'm sure. It'll take a while to reach the golden shore. I must try to figure it out alone. Yeah, I must try to figure it out alone.